Hello friends, this is Chetna. Today we are going to learn about genetics and diseases. So in this we'll see the mutations, then different examples of the diseases, then genetic code and genetic sequence. So in this, influence of both genetic and environmental factors make an individual. Genetic composition in chromosomes is decided at conception, but continuous interactions thereafter with the environments, both internal to the body and external, shape the individual's development. Though genes are believed to remain unaltered, studies have established that environmental factors can and do alter their composition through mutations. Now, what are mutations? They are inheritable changes in the genes. So, while genetic involvement can probably found in almost all diseases, the extent of its effect varies largely. Now, at one extreme, we'll take one example of the disease is a Mongolism, a disease due to a specific genetic defect, and at the other is a simple bacterial disease where also genetic factors do play a role, but the precise extent is not known. And between these extremes are many conditions where genetic and environmental factors interact to produce birth defects, metabolic disorders, and many diseases of major and minor consequences. Now, the basic unit of hereditary is the gene that we all know. The molecules of DNA, which also carry genetic code, that means the information, and this code, through the control of synthesis of RNA, determines the metabolism, development, and functioning of cells. Thousands of genes are carried by chromosomes and they are arranged in a particular order, which is known as genetic sequence, with a precise location, also known as genetic map. And any changes or alterations such as mutations, aberrations means what? It's a deviational inheritable changes in genes. These aberrations cause genetic abnormalities or defective genes. So a child inherits 50% genes from mother and 50% from father. Ordinarily, both these are normal and therefore the child born is also normal. But when either or both parents have a defective genes, the child also will have a defective genes and its consequences. Quite a few other factors such as women consuming large quantities of alcohol during pregnancy or consanguineous, that is a blood relation marriages, then can cause genetic problems such as stillbirth, congenital malformation, means defects, and mental retardation. Now, depending upon the type of genetic defect, for example, mild, that is a hearing defect, to serious, thalassemia major disorders developed in offsprings, either before birth or after or over the years. Thank you for watching.